Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the KEDIERS white PC case ATX G800. This mid-tower computer case comes with 5 pre-installed PWM ARGB fans and boasts dual, tempered glass panels for a full view of your build. It's designed for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want both aesthetics and performance. Let's dive into the details and see what makes this case a standout choice for your next build. Design and build quality. The KEDIERS G800 features a sleek and stylish white finish that's sure to complement any setup. The full-view dual-tempered glass panels on the front and side not only protect your components, but also allow you to showcase your build. The build quality is excellent, with sturdy materials ensuring durability and longevity. Interior layout and compatibility. Inside, the G800 offers a spacious layout that supports ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX motherboards. It provides ample room for high-end components, including graphics cards up to 360mm in length and CPU coolers up to 160mm in height. The case also supports up to 3 SSDs and 2 HDDs, offering plenty of storage options for your gaming and productivity needs. Cooling and airflow. One of the standout features of the KEDIERS G800 is the inclusion of 5 pre-installed PWM ARGB fans. These fans provide excellent cooling performance while adding vibrant lighting effects to your build. The RGB lighting can be customized to match your style, creating a visually stunning setup. The case also supports additional fans and radiators for those who want to further enhance their cooling capabilities. Connectivity and expansion. The front I/O panel of the G800 includes a USB 3.0 port, 2 USB 2.0 ports, and audio jacks, providing convenient access to your peripherals. The case also features a PSU shroud and multiple cable management options, ensuring a clean and organized build. The tool-free design of the drive bays makes installation and upgrades a breeze. Build experience. Building in the KEDIERS G800 is a smooth and enjoyable experience. The spacious interior and smart layout make it easy to install and arrange components. The tempered glass panels are easy to remove, giving you quick access to your hardware. The pre-installed fans and integrated RGB controller simplify the setup process, allowing you to focus on creating your perfect build. Aesthetics. The KEDIERS G800 excels in aesthetics with its sleek white design and dual, tempered glass panels. The pre-installed RGB fans add a dynamic and colorful touch, making your build stand out. Whether you're creating a minimalist white build or a vibrant RGB setup, this case offers the flexibility to match your vision. Conclusion. To sum it up, the KEDIERS white PC case ATX G800 is an excellent choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts looking for a stylish and functional case. Its spacious interior, excellent cooling options, and stunning aesthetics make it a top contender in the mid-tower category. If you're ready to take your build to the next level with the KEDIERS G800, check out the link in the description for the best price. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tech updates.